getting back on the road. Let's see. Voy a grabar. I'm recording. Let's see. If we can. But we have to wait for this red light until it's gone. Man, this is take a little bit. There is a rail crossing that's activating. So the rail crossings are activating. Ah! I see a pickup truck. No, but yes, there is. Yes, there is. You don't know because you're blind. Oh, blind. Do you think you have a family right now? You're gonna get another family then, because that's how the Rin said. That's how the Rin said. Look at that. Actually, do you think you're in this family? Go get another family. Go get another family. Because that's how Dad said. Dummy. Man, that was not me. Wait, look at that, guys. Look at that.